Today we're going to work on equivalent fractions using a Hereshey bar. Does everyone have a Hereshey bar that is not broken? Good. Here we go. Let's carefully unwrap the Hereshey bar and do not break it apart. It should look like this. Everyone got it? Awesome. Let's move on. Here's your Hereshey bar. Let's count all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everyone have all 12 pieces. Great job. So we have 12 over 12, or 12 twelfths, right? 12 twelfths equal 1 whole. We know that. Any number over a number, the same number, equals 1 whole. So when the numerator and the denominator are the same, we have a whole. In this case, we have 1 whole candy bar. Everyone agree? Great job. Carefully break your candy bar apart. Each piece should look like this. You will see 12 equal sections. Real quick, one section looks like this. There are sections all the way across. Be careful to keep them in the sections and not just the sections. If you need help, raise your hand and a staff member will be around to help you. Okay, now that our candy bars are broken apart, I want you to take them and make them into a design, build a tower, a pyramid, put them into different groups. Do anything you want with them, but do not break them into littler pieces. You've got 15 seconds to do this. Time's up. How many pieces of a candy bar do you still have? You're right, you still have 12 pieces. And we know 12 out of 12 equals how many? Yep, 1 whole. We still have 1 whole candy bar. 12 twelfths equals 1 whole. So go ahead and make another design. Let's make sure we still have 1 whole candy bar if we try this again. Okay, now that we have that done, how many pieces of a candy bar do we still have? Yes, we still have 12. So we still have 12 twelfths, which still equals 1 whole candy bar. Nobody got an extra candy bar, nobody lost a candy bar, right? Great job. Okay, here's my question for you. Would you rather eat 1/12 of a candy bar or 11/12 of a candy bar? Well, what is 1/12 of a candy bar? Who has an answer? You don't know? Well, this is 1/12 of a candy bar. Would you rather eat one of these or 11 of these? I'd have to agree with you. I'd rather eat 11 because, well, 1/12 is just silly. If I only eat one, then I'm going to want more. Chocolate is Well, chocolate's chocolate, and chocolate's good. Alright, let's move on. Let's look at the parts of the candy bar. Here's 1/2 of a candy bar. 1/2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Pretty simple. When you break the candy bar in half, you have 6 pieces, or 1/2 of it. Everyone got that? Simple. Uh-oh. Here's a confusion part. It says here's another half. Wait a minute. This isn't the same. It still has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. But this is a different number. This is 6/12. So there are 6 out of 12 pieces. Okay, I get that. But they're different numbers. How can that be? They're both 6 out of 12. 6 pieces out of the 12. But 1/2 and 6/12 aren't the same number. They're called equivalent fractions. That means they are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces out of 12 equals 1/2. Or 6/12. When two fractions equal each other, they're called equivalent fractions. Look at the beginning of this word, EQU. That's the same as in the word equal, EQU. They're the same. Equal, equivalent mean the same. So 6/12 is equal to what? You don't know? Well, let's go back and look. 6/12 is equal to 1/2. 1/2 and 6/12 are equivalent fractions. So 6/12 is equal to what number? You're right, 1/2. So put your candy bars. I want you to make 2 piles. Half a candy bar and 6/12 of a candy bar. Can you do that for me? Awesome. So remember, they're equivalent. They are equal. Here's 1/3 of a candy bar. There are 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of a candy bar equals 1/3 of the candy bar. So, if we want to get one whole candy bar, how many piles are we going to have to make? Remember, to equal one whole, we have to have the same numerator and denominator. Who can guess? Yep, we'd have to make 3, because 3 over 3 equals one whole. The numerator and the denominator would be the same. So go ahead and make your piles, doing whatever you want, so that way you have one whole. But it's confusing. Okay, let's take it a little bit slower. How many pieces are in 1/3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So if we want to make 1/3, we make a pile of 4. So make one pile of 4 pieces. Get that? Good. That's 1/3 of your candy bar. So you have 1/3 of a candy bar. And you have a pile of the rest of them. Now what I want you to do is take the rest of them and put them into 2 piles. Each pile has 4 pieces. Can you do that? Great job. Got it. Good. So how many piles do we have of 4 pieces? Yep, we have 3. So how many candy bars do we have? 3? Awesome! I got 3 candy bars. But guess what? I really don't, because of how many pieces do I still have? Yep, I still have only 12 pieces. So that means I still have only one candy bar. 3/3 equals one candy bar. Let's look down here. Think of it like this. The candy bar can be divided into 3 equal groups. Each of the 3 groups has 4 sections. So we have 3 sections of 4 pieces. So 1 candy bar. Everyone understand what's going on? Awesome. Let's move on. What's left over is 2/3. So 1/3 plus 2/3 equals, you add the top numbers, 1 plus 2 equals 3. When the top number and the bottom number are the same, the fraction is equal to 1. We're going to stop here for today and look at our worksheet on multiplication. Do a time test. So what I want you to do is stop, put your Hershey bar in the baggie that has your name on it. Tomorrow we're going to finish this and then you'll get to eat your Hershey bar. Miss T is going to collect them so that way we know where they all are and they don't get broken. You guys did awesome with this. Thank you.